Hi, welcome to Easy English. Thanks for the visit. So, we finish with relative pronouns. And in this video, we're going to have a look at interrogative pronouns. In the word interrogative comes from the verb interrogate, which means to ask questions. So, interrogative pronouns are question words. And actually, they are the same words with relative pronouns, only they are used as question words. Let's have a look. You see, who, whom, which, and whose. The same words in relative pronouns, except the word that. Let's have a look at the examples and how these are used to ask questions. Which? When do you use which? You use it when there are two or more choices, but not many. Look at the example. Which school do you go to? Answer: the private one near the stadium, which means there are other schools in the area, but not many. All right. What about who? We said earlier that who is used for people, or a person. So look at the question. Who just called? Answer: Grandma. Who is talking on the phone? One of the students. So, Grandma, students, these are people. What about whom? We said earlier that whom is a relative pronoun. But in this case, it is a question. Look at the example. Whom did you invite? All my classmates. Whom did you go to the party with? My friend Joe. And you're now asking, when should I use who? And when should I use whom? Now, to help you find out if you use the correct question word or not, you ask yourself if you can replace who with he, she, or they, and whom with him, her, and them, then your question word is correct. For example, who just called? Grandma. She is used to replace grandma. So the question word who is correct. You can't say her called. That's why the second sentence is incorrect. The next, okay, but what about whom? So look at the next question. Whom did you invite? All my classmates. Test yourself. Which pronoun replaces classmates? It's them. I invited them. So your question word is correct. Because you can't say, I invited they. Okay? If you have any other question, please write them on the comments. I'll get back to them. And the last interrogative pronoun is whose. We said earlier that whose shows possession. So we use this question word if we want to know who owns something. For example, whose umbrella is this? It's Miss Alice's. You can say it's Miss Alice's umbrella, or no need, it's Miss Alice's is correct. Whose is this? It's Roberts. Okay, that's all for today. I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.